In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text in Google Docs. Underlining text can be a simple, yet effective way to draw attention to important information, and it's really easy to do in Google Docs. Whether you're working on a school project, writing a report, or formatting a document for your job, knowing how to underline can be quite handy. So let's dive into it. First, you'll want to open up your web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Google Docs and hit Enter. This will bring you to a page where you can access Google Docs easily. Click on the link that appears in your search results to open Google Docs. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, if you haven't logged in already, you'll need to do so. Use your Google account credentials to log in. This is necessary because Google Docs is part of Google's suite of tools that are tied to your Google account. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Google Docs. Here, you have a couple of options. You can either open an existing document or create a new one. If you have a document in which you'd like to underline text, go ahead and open that. If not, you can easily create a new document by clicking on the blank page with a plus sign labeled blank. Now that you're in your document, find the text that you want to underline. Click and drag to select the specific text. You'll see the background of this text change color, indicating that it is selected and ready for formatting changes. Next, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the page. In this toolbar, there is an icon that looks like a capital letter U with a line underneath it. This is the underline icon. When you click it, the selected text will instantly be underlined, adding emphasis to that part of your document. And there you have it. Your text is now underlined. If at any point you decide that you no longer want certain text to be underlined, don't worry. Simply select the underlined text again and click on the same U icon to toggle the underline off. The underline will disappear, reverting the text to its original, non-underlined state. And that's all it takes to underline text in Google Docs. As you can see, it's a straightforward process that you can accomplish in just a few steps. This easy formatting trick can help make your document stand out, whether it's for business, school, or personal use. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks in Google Docs.